Hey guys, Sammy here. Today I am going to be cleaning the interior of this truck. This is my dad's Ford Lightning 1995 Ford Lightning. I think my dad used to race it, and so when I was little, you know, I'd sit in the car with him and like he'd floor it down the street and I'd be like, yeah! And so my whole dream was to drive it, and that is what I'm trying to do. It hasn't been on the road since I was like very small. And now I'm determined. I will drive it. I don't know how to fix it, but I do know how to clean it. Every step is a good step. So that's what we're doing today. Yeah, so stay tuned. All right, ladies and gents, we begin. So yesterday I kind of went through and did a little bit of a sweep of spider webs with that stick. Spiders have been here. Oh, hey Jack. Hey Luna. Okay. All right, so I am going to start with the seat here. Okay, there's definitely something in the wood. Oh, it's a squirrel. Hey, squirrel. Tough Stuff multi-purpose foam cleaner. It might be as old as I am. It doesn't have an expiration. Spray liberally. All right. Now we wait. It's been longer than 40 seconds. It's not moist enough. What the? Needs to be wetter. Okay. That's damn. Okay. Much better. Wipe, 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 wipe it. Use those biceps, triceps. Now we're going to work on the steering wheel. My friend Drew said to use different stuff on different things. Cleaning wipes, protectant wipes. All right, so we're just gonna do a basic clean on this one. I'm really disappointed because I wanted to do a more like car guy kind of thing. So this is Armor All cleaning wipes because I don't have leather stuff. Oh, well, that works pretty well. Oh God, this is not good. This is not good. So this is what's happening. Can you see that? Feeling that's not good. All right. I think it's time to call my dad. But after I wipe everything else down, because I want it to look good. What matters is that the mold is off it. Do you see any mold? No. Oh, there's some weird up in here. Weird I don't want to touch. But I will. Because this is a project. And projects need to get finished. Unless you're a quitter. No one likes a quitter. So yeah, now I'm just using these wipes to clean the rest, and then I'm gonna use the protectant wipe because I guess that'll do something. So I talked to my dad. I told him it was dried out, and he said it's very possible. All right, I don't see any spiders. But if they were to be anywhere, that's where they'd be, so I'm a little concerned. Just a mirror? Oh, I can use that to check under the seats. Houston, we have more mold. I'm gonna see if I can open these windows real quick. I don't know how my dad fits in this truck. I missed some spider spots. God, disgusting. Wah! Maybe I can clean this. So now we're gonna use this. Oh, you silly kitty. You silly kitty. So important. There's like a lot in there. So you gotta clean that out. In the window to the wall. So help from me.
Wow. Ah, very nice. You did a good job.
Pull down the center.
Huh.
That was funny.
I wonder what that key fits.
Maybe the
I don't
escort?
know. It might be the Windstar even. I don't even know. That might be the Windstar. Yeah, that's pretty incredible.
Right? Is that concrete like hardened? Is it supposed to be like that?
No. A little humidity got in there, I guess.
You did a good job. That's all I ever wanted to hear. All right, Rena, we're gonna go for a drive in my really cool pickup truck. All right, guys, this is my bestie, Rena. She is my first passenger, I guess. We're gonna
I guess, technically.
Bye, Mom. I'm going for a drive.
I don't even think she hears you. Yeah, I just can't believe how much seats were moldy.
Yeah, I've scrubbed I've been doing this for like hours.
That little piece of history right here.
Yeah. If you feel the top of the steering wheel, versus the bottom, that is from light damage.
Once you get it up and running, is it gonna be safe to drive?
Yeah. You know, this is a classic. Isn't that nice? Now imagine me driving. Alright guys, well, that was my detailing of the Ford Lightning. I've never detailed before. So it might be wrong, but you don't have to tell me that, okay? You can give me tips, but you don't have to be a dick about it.
Yeah, everyone on the internet are dicks sometimes.
Yeah. It looks really good and nothing seems damaged, so I say that's a job well done.
Don't show